Heavy snow blankets, New York City, as strong nor'easter sweeps northeast. More than 10 inches of snow has fallen from eastern Pennsylvania to Connecticut. Two storm systems to bring chance of snow to NYC before the end of the week. This system is expected to bring some precipitation to New York City late Thursday before leaving the area early on Friday. Tranquil weather is expected most of Wednesday and into Thursday morning. Between Thursday afternoon and Friday morning, another disturbance moving through New York and New England could generate additional light accumulating snow. The storm slowed highway and air travel. Over 1,500 flights were cancelled. Tuesday, several hundred of them from hubs in New York and Boston. New York City received 3.2 inches of snow from Tuesday's storm, according to the official measurement at Central Park. That marks the most snow in the Big Apple in more than 2 years. The last time at least that much snow fell was on Jan. 28-29, 2022, when there were 8.5 inches, New York City residents faced a few inches of snowfall Tuesday, prompting plows to be deployed for the first time in 2 years, according to a post by the City Department of Sanitation on X, formerly known as Twitter. While plows may not be necessary, New York City is slated to experience 2 passing systems before the end of the week.